This is the SAM7K-04 and 04R. The difference between the two, the 04 comes with the traditional Bulgarian style furniture and the 04R has the PR03 Picatinny rail system from Arsenal. Here are a couple key features. 10.5-inch cold hammer forged barrel, hinged dust cover, both peep sight and open sight, optic mounting system rail on the left side of the gun. On the right side of the gun you'll see the traditional index finger safety as well as an ambi thumb safety right there. The receiver is a milled receiver. Now on the back of all of these it comes with a Picatinny rail system where you can put either a sling swivel or any of a number of other accessories that you may want to try.